Oulton Park. Ryan is not here with us today. Scott is though in the Golf. They did testing yesterday. Only 6 laps because it absolutely tipped it down and there was a couple of red flags. So I'm gonna go find him, see what's happening.
Sat in the queue waiting to go for qualifying on Saturday. The weather, it's drying out, the track's fairly dry. Fingers crossed, should have a good qualifying session.
So results of quali, come 17th overall, 5th in class, it's not too bad. About 2 seconds behind Luke Hanley. Had an upgrade on our truck this weekend. What do you think, Harry?
I think it's mega, mate.
22,000 mile Fiat Uno. When was the last time you saw one of that? I'm at a racetrack, I'm getting excited about the bag.
So we just had his lunch now. MR2s are out on track at the minute. Scott will be out around 2 o'clock-ish. Should be a decent race.
With the final round of the 2022 TDI Club Enduro Championship coming up next, it is a decider. We'll tell you about what needs to happen in terms of the championship in just a moment, but first let's rattle through the grid because the car's already on their rolling lap. car being sent out for the first time in the course of this race. There we go. Flags and boards being displayed around the circuit, so we need to try and work out what it is that has caused this safety car.
David Goodin's car's not in good shape.
It's not, is it? It's been off.
So he was involved in that big battle, wasn't he, that we saw, and the front end of that M3 has taken quite the whack.
It has.
Matt Fazy with a whole host of Class A cars between himself and Scott Parkin, who's second in the class. Guy on the pits, I think you spotted it.
Yeah, Matt Fazy it is that's into the pits from the lead of Class B.
Oh yeah, they're getting the fuel ready, I think, because they weren't prepared for this stop, were they? So they haven't got anything ready, which they're now doing. So that means the Class B lead now goes away with Scott Parkin. Luke Handley's not into second, and Jonathan Packer third. Here and abroad. There's our leader, Will Stacey. He's done 27 laps now. And there's our Class C leaders with a couple of cars between them at this stage. One car that they are lapping and one car that they have lapped.
But the safety car is now out, so I think the pit lane is about to get very hectic indeed. There's, you can see how busy the pit lane is. All of a sudden.
Scott's just been in for his pit stop. About 55 minutes left, I think. He's currently in 10th place, second in class. Still, 5 minutes, a lot can change at that time. Let's see what happens.
Move, 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 move!
There's Kevin Clark roaring through. He's just behind them in the race, so that's actually the position. So he's 10th now. He's
big moment now.
That was Packer, wasn't it? Was that going to let Parkin through? Yes, it does. So Scott Parkin now takes the lead of the class.
And there'll be more laps with traffic than not.
Jonathan Packer's nearly caught Scott Parkin again, hasn't he? For the Class B lead. Okay, he's got a penalty, but that gap's coming down.
Scott Parkin in the diesel Golf, you tell, making its way down towards Cascades.
Car back out, it's side by side for the class lead, and Kevin Clark goes down the inside into Island Bend, and he goes through, I think, yes, but there's still lots of traffic for him to deal with. But Kevin Clark has done it in 2 laps to get through to the front of Class A. He's got 10 seconds to catch for an overall win. Packer's ahead now.
Packer is ahead, but he needs to get 15 seconds ahead of Scott Parkin in order to win the class, because he's got that amount of track limits penalty. Here now, so we'll be hoping not to fall over this.
Oh my goodness.
Now, that's the 92 car of Phil Nibbs. That's between Shell Oils and Britain's. We think there could be some fluid down, and obviously Edward Christie's been off on that with a corrected time, doesn't it? Because at the moment Jonathan Packer is only about a second clear of Scott Parkin, but he's got this 15-second track limits penalty hanging over him.
Oh, whoa!
There's been a rather large accident down here, and that is Kevin Clark, I'm afraid, that's got into the pit wall and is off into the barriers, and that's I didn't see how that started.
There was contact halfway down the straight, possibly with the Class C leader. I can't confirm that.
But certainly was in the general vicinity at the time. Scott Parkin will be the winner in Class B once those times have been corrected. From in second place Jonathan Packer, and third place within Class B will be Luke Handley. But let's have a look at the standings when the red flags came out. It will be a win for number 26, that was Bruno Costa and Paul Curran in the Volkswagen Golf TCR, no doubt about that. Second place though, because everyone will move up because Kevin Clark, as the cause of the red flag, will not be included in the results. So second place will go the way of number 15, Colin Gillespie and Phil Driver. They will also win Class A in their Seat Leon TCR. In third place it will be number 27, that's Will Beach and Mark Rice, another Leon TCR. And then in third place, Chris Freeman and the Leon TCR. So after all of that, it will be 3 TCR cars on the podium in Class A, after it looked for a while as if we might not have any TCR cars on the podium in Class A. Fifth overall, that will go to number 43, Steve Cheetham in the Boxster. Sixth overall will go to number 92, Phil Nibb and Andrew Rath. I think their penalty, I don't think will drop them back any positions. It will drop Jonathan Packer back places though. He will fall behind both Scott Parkin and Julian McBride, so he'll end up, I think, 9th overall will Jonathan Packer, and Scott Parkin it will be that will win in Class B. And I don't know if we can go on to the next page. There you can see Luke Handley, he's going to be third in Class B, ahead of Steve Houston and Matt Fazy. So that was a good second stint for Steve Houston after that early stop for Matt Fazy after that incident with Steve cheating Matt so graphically described for us. So that's a sad way to end the 2022 Tagiwa Club Enduro Championship season, with that heavy incident at on the start and finish straight for Kevin Clark, with the car ending up at Old Hall Corner.
On to Class B then today, and in third place in the race, but successfully defending his Class B championship, third goes to Luke Handley. In second place, Jonathan Packer. And taking the Class B win with one gear missing, I believe, in the closing stages, Scott Parkin.
We're just finishing up packing the trailer. We've finished 8th overall, first in class. Red flag finish after a crash, as I'm sure you've seen in the video. But it's been good race. Scott's happy, and thanks for watching.